The Arctangent trip management system for intercity bus business owners. How to delay trip departure time to fill your buses without getting customers angry. Turn your traditional bus business into an innovative airline intercity bus business. Presented by Ivo Kuba. Are your customers complaining about the following? 1. Trips don't depart on time, leading to long boarding times. 2. Customers must physically visit the office, experiencing long queues and time wastage just to manage bookings. And 3. Customers lack access to live trip information such as trip availability, available seats, updated departure time, etc. If any of this sounds familiar, keep watching. You are about to discover exactly why this happens and how you can fix it. In the early days, your trips departed on time. When you first started, you were strict on trips departing on time, even if empty, because you wanted to build customer trust and loyalty. But with time, you couldn't keep up with this strategy as running operating costs were higher than the revenue generated. As such, your trips were delayed so you can fill your buses before they depart. From a business point of view, it makes sense for you to delay your trips to increase occupancy, but for the customers, you don't respect their time. Consequently, the customers you attracted because of strict trip departure times started complaining and churning to new companies who are promising prompt departure time. You should learn from airline companies. Airlines are known for prompt departure and arrival times, but sometimes they witness delays but still keep their customers loyal. Why? Airline customers are kept informed and have access to live trip updates. They are notified at every stage of the trip. As such, customers are willing to wait without getting angry because they are not left in the dark. What do you need? 1. You need an accessible centralized system where passengers can manage their trip without visiting your bus company. And 2, a trip notification system that updates your customers about their trips and keeps them informed at every stage of the trip. If this is what you have been looking for, then keep watching. You are about to uncover the 4 key pillars of the Arctangent trip management system, the solution that will help you delay trip departure time to fill your buses without getting customers angry. Pillar 1, efficient trip management process. Every top performing intercity bus company relies on a structured, standardized trip management process. This ensures that trips are planned on time, customers can easily book their trips, delays are reduced, and buses arrive on time. This figure illustrates the intercity bus transportation trip management process. To the left, we have without efficient processes, which is the old approach. You get the following old results. Trips don't depart on time, frustrating customers. Customers must visit physical offices, leading to long queues and wasted time. Passengers have no access to real-time trip updates, leaving them uncertain about schedule changes. To the right, we have with efficient processes, which is the new approach, and you get the following new results. Trips depart on schedule, improving reliability and customer trust. Customers can manage trips without visiting the office. Real-time trip updates keep passengers informed, reducing frustration during delays. With a well-designed trip management process, your trips operate like a finely tuned engine. Trips depart with full capacity. Customers can easily manage your trips. Customers are happy even when there are delays, and you run a profitable business. Pillar 2, accessible trip management data. Many traditional intercity bus companies either don't collect trip data or store it in scattered locations and formats, making it hard to access information when needed. Innovative airline bus companies do things differently. They centralize all trip data into a single, unified system, making it instantly available for smart and faster retrieval of information. This figure illustrates the intercity bus transportation trip data management. To the left, we have without a unified data system, which is the old approach, and you get the following old results. Trip schedules, passengers' bookings, and seat availability are managed manually or across multiple disconnected systems, leading to errors and confusion. Decision making is based on incomplete or outdated trip data, causing inefficiencies in planning and operations. Tracking trip performance, delays, and occupancy trends is difficult, making it hard to optimize routes and maximize profitability. To the right, we have with a unified data system, which is the new approach, and you get the following new results. All trip-related data, including schedules, bookings, and seat availability, is centralized for real-time access and accuracy. Operators make informed decisions using up-to-date trip insights, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Performance trends, delays, and occupancy rates are continuously monitored, allowing for data-driven route optimization and increased profitability. There is no doubt here, if you want to transform your business, you need to move from scattered trip data sources, which is the old approach, to a single unified data system, the new approach. Pillar 3, high-performing trip management employees. Your employees are the backbone of your trip management operations. If you want to build a highly efficient and profitable intercity bus business company, your trip management staff must be well trained and fully aligned with your trip standard operating procedures, SOPs. This figure illustrates the intercity bus trip management team. To the left, we have without a high-performing team, which is the old approach, and you get the following old result. Trip schedules are poorly managed, leading to frequent delays and customer dissatisfaction. Communications between drivers, ticketing staff, and operation is uncoordinated, causing last-minute trip cancellations and inefficiencies. Passengers' concerns about delays, seat availability, and route change go unanswered, leading to frustration and lost business. To the right, we have with a high-performing team, which is the new approach. You get the following results. Trip schedules are well organized, ensuring on-time departures and smooth operations. Team members communicate effectively, reducing errors and improving coordination between departments. Customer inquiries about trip updates, availability, and changes are handled efficiently, enhancing trust and passenger loyalty. Your business is only as strong as the people running it. When your trip management employees operate with clarity, consistency, and efficiency, your entire fleet benefits, resulting in lower costs, fewer delays, and a stronger bottom line. Pillar 4, Decision Support Co-Pilot. Once you have 1. Efficient trip management processes, 2. Accessible trip management data, and 3. High-performing trip management team, you have identified the intelligent sweet spot of your intercity bus trip management system. This is where you can delay trip departure time to fill your buses without getting customers angry. This figure illustrates the intelligent sweet spot of an innovative intercity bus company. Within this spot, you are ready for the Decision Support Co-Pilot, a data-driven system that helps you make confident, fact-based decisions about trip management. Think of it as your third eye, a trusted advisor that provides real-time insights and recommendations based on your trip management data. The co-pilot helps you answer key questions like, on Tuesday mornings, when should we set the trip departure time? Which bus size should we plan on weekends to optimize routing? How many employees do we need during high demand periods? How likely can we have full bus capacity if we plan 3 trips today? With this system, you are no longer guessing or reacting blindly. Instead, you are making proactive, strategic decisions that drive profitability, efficiency, and long-term growth. Let's recap. To transform your traditional intercity bus business into a high-performing, innovative airline company where you can delay trip departure time to fill your buses without getting customers angry, you need the 4 key pillars of the Arctangent trip management system. 1. Efficient trip management processes. Your trip management department should run like a finely tuned engine, eliminating inefficiencies and wasted resources. 2. Unified trip management data. All critical trip data should be accessible in one central unified location for faster, smarter information retrieval. 3. High-performing trip management staff. Your staff should be well-trained and structured like an allied unit, ensuring precision and efficiency in trip operations. And 4. With the first 3 key pillars in place, you need an AI-driven system that acts as a trusted advisor, offering real-time insights to optimize trip operations. How to get started? Now that you understand what it takes to delay trip departure time to fill your buses without getting customers angry, there is one key truth you need to recognize. Knowledge alone won't transform your business. If knowledge were enough, transportation and logistic professors would be the most successful intercity bus business owners. But they aren't. The real key is execution. Result is equals to knowledge, the 4 key pillars times execution. From experience, most intercity bus owners struggle with execution, not because they aren't intelligent, but because testing different trip management systems can be costly, time consuming, and risky if done without expert guidance. That is where we come in. Our team of experienced intercity bus business growth consultant is ready to partner with your company to build and implement a tailored Arctangent trip management system customized for your unique business needs. Are you the right fit? Before you get too excited, let me be upfront. We don't work with every intercity bus company. We carefully select businesses that are very serious about transformation and ready to take action. To see if your company qualifies, take our short qualification quiz below. If your business is a good fit, one of our growth engineers will reach out to schedule a diagnostic assessment, helping you pinpoint exactly where you need to improve to reach elite status. Click the link to take the quiz.